Hey, what's going on, everybody? I just want to do a quick unboxing for you on this evaporative air cooler. You can clearly see it says open here. Turn around to the back, it says caution. Do not open from this side. So I'm going to follow the instructions and open it from the right side. And again, this video, just an unboxing for you. I'll do another video soon after I have a chance to try it out so I can give you an honest opinion about it. I got stuff falling out of here. All right, there we go. So as you can see, it's a pretty tall system here. Comes with ice pack that I have fallen out of here. These pieces, I believe that's the base. And I had a manual that fell out. Another ice pack. Some styrofoam protection that will pull out and throw behind me. Tucked down in the styrofoam down here is a remote control. Now, we slide the unit out. Okay, so here's the top of it. See the bottom, it won't stand up yet because it needs this base on here. So it's just supposed to be a quick unboxing, but I'll go ahead and try to snap these feet on so I can stand it up and let you see it, at least. So I'm gonna guess these snap together somehow. Like, okay, so can't go straight in. Go from it at an angle, something like this, and then they snap in. Okay, and now we can, I assume, set the unit in here. All right, there it is, guys. So that's what I was doing wrong. I was trying to tuck the cord out between the base and the fan. Instead, it needs to go through and out the hole in the bottom, and then you'll tuck it in one of these notches to come outside of the base. So that's how you keep the cord safe. All right, so there it is. Like I said, I'll do another video soon after I try it out.